Streaming makes enjoying music easy and fun. So let's talk streamers. There are plenty of entry-level streamers out there that sound pretty good. There are also some $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 streamers that sound incredible. But those music streamers are beyond the reach of an awful lot of folks. If we look at what we might call the affordable part of the high end of music streamers, maybe the single most popular, best-selling streamer of all time is this one, Bluesound's famous Node. And with good reason. It sounds terrific and it's easy to use. But today, Bluesound announces that this is going away and it's going to be replaced by not one, but 3 new streamers. Hi, I'm Joe with Gramophone, and I'd love to tell you a little bit about what Bluesound has planned. Let's dig into it. So we're happy to share with you Bluesound's good news. The most affordable of the 3, Node Nano, is actually shipping now as of August 20th, 2024. The second, the direct replacement for their Node, Node 132, is actually going to start shipping just in a few weeks by the end of August 2024. The third is Node Icon, and that's scheduled to ship sometime before the end of the year. Now, the first huge upgrade to all 3 products has actually been shipping for many, many months because Bluesound upgraded to BluOS 4.0, their new app, way back at the beginning of the year. And at Gramophone, we love the news that a great selling product is going to be replaced by 3 better sounding products, but we already know that they're going to be so easy to use because we've all been using BluOS 4.0 for a long time now. It isn't in beta testing. We've been enjoying the BluOS 4.0 app in all of the Bluesound products for months and months now. And this new app makes it easy for you to access all of your favorite music services and create and build up all your favorite playlists. And it's so easy that everybody in the family can enjoy it. So you, your spouse, grandma, the kids, everybody gets to enjoy their favorites using this new app. It's a winner. Now we'll put a link in the description to the BluOS 4.0 video that we did so you can check it out and see just how easy it is to use BluOS 4.0. A second benefit is that if you choose to, you can use any of these 3 new Node products in conjunction with other Bluesound products so that you can set up a whole house audio system where each room can operate individually or all together, your choice, without having to run a ton of wires. We'll actually put a link to the Bluesound Pulse M video in the description. So first, the Node Nano upgrades versus the former Node. Bluesound upgraded to the ESS Sabre 9039 DAC. That's the same high-end DAC that makes the Node X, their 10th anniversary, sound so good. Upgrade number 2 is the price. You get that DAC sound quality at just $299 retail. Nano will crush a bunch of other entry-level high-end streamers. Third, Nano has a cool compact chassis. If you want space saving, go Nano. If you love music and movies, we do too. So please like and subscribe to our channel. That helps us out a lot. And click that little bell icon so you're always notified of our upcoming content. Question of the day. What's your favorite one-hit wonder song? Go ahead and leave a comment in the comments section. I'll reveal mine at the end of the video. In just a few weeks, by the end of August we're told, we'll have the replacement for the existing Node. That'll be Node 132 actually. And it will have a ton of upgrades versus the Nano that we just talked about. And it'll be priced at $549. Very affordable for what you get. So we can see at least 9 upgrades that you get with Node 132 versus both previous Node and with the entry-level Nano we just described. The first is the THX AAA headphone amp and front panel jack. It's going to make headphone listening sound great. For me, that's the single biggest upgrade versus the Nano, which has no jack for your headphones. It's a Bluetooth headphone connection only. Second, there's an onboard power supply in the Node versus Nano's external power supply. Third, this is also pretty big, a subwoofer out which is a terrific way to upgrade the performance of your speakers if you should add a power amp and a pair of speakers for a standalone system. And yes, this can be a standalone system. Fourth, an HDMI eARC connection for connecting to your awesome flat panel TV. Number 5, a 3.5 millimeter combo Toslink input for connecting to your awesome legacy TV if you haven't upgraded to a more recent flat panel. Number 6, also huge, Node 132 is D-Rock ready, so you can use D-Rock software to get the best sound in any room. That's the first time that Bluesound has done this at anywhere close to this price. Number 7, it's Dolby Digital enabled, a real plus. Number 8, there's a proximity sensor which will make it easier to use when you're physically touching the unit. And number 9, that 2-button volume adjustment on Nano, it's replaced by this cool user interface on top, which features a volume slider up and down, 5 different presets instead of just 2, the ability to skip to the next track or back to the previous one, and so on. Now, what will you get with the more audiophile-oriented Node Icon, which again is scheduled to ship before the end of 2024, and it's scheduled to have a retail price of $999. Let's go through what you get. Number 1, it's got a 5-inch front panel display. Not actually a touchscreen, but still pretty cool. Second, the DACs are dual mono ESS 9039s versus the single stereo ESS 9039 that you've got in the Node. Third, an upgraded power supply, which will be ultra quiet. And fourth, balanced XLR outputs. That again should be about 6 dB quieter. Fifth, you'll have twin headphone jacks. And last, there'll be more connectivity with added analog and digital inputs and outputs. My favorite one-hit wonder song? In the late 70s, early 80s, a band called Sniff and the Tears released a song called Driver's Seat. I love that song. Go ahead and check it out on YouTube, and when you do, check out the Kevin McHale lookalike drummer. I get a big kick out of that. You know, at Gramophone, we're so excited to now see this incredibly strong-selling Bluesound Node replaced by the 3 new ones at 3 different price points. So, if you can, come visit us in Timonium, Columbia, or Gaithersburg, Maryland. We'd love to give you a demo and talk about streaming in general. Find out what's the best product for you. You can also pick up your new one or place your pre-order at Sky by Gramophone, where you always get a secure checkout, fast and free shipping, straight to your door. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate your support, and we look forward to seeing you soon.